This video sponsored by Yahoo. Hi everyone, welcome back to my After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to create a simple text animation. Yahoo is committed to creating the world's best online digital art learning platform. Their goal is for every student not only to receive technology improvements, but also the influence and cultivation of art, by integrating the best quality tutorial resources in the field of 2D and 3D art. Provide comprehensive instruction, while showing the creation process of high-quality works. It provides systematic online learning solutions and one-stop professional services for the majority of 2D and 3D art students, practitioners and enthusiasts. Link in the description of the video. Let's go started. Create a composition. The name is Colorful Text Animation. The settings on your look, click OK. Now create new text. And drag the text on the center of the screen. Now click on the text, and press R. Drag slider here. And add a keyframe, now press P. And separate the dimensions. Add a keyframe on Y position, drag the slider on the beginning, and double press U. Change the rotation on -180. And drag the text positioner down. Now click all keyframes. And make there easy. Nice. Click on this keyframe, and open Graph Editor. And change the keyframes schema like me. Now click on this keyframe, and again open the Graph Editor, change the keyframes schema like me. Good. Now drag slider here. And add a keyframe. Drag slider here. And change the scale on 0. Now make this keyframes easy. Click on this, open Graph Editor. And change keyframes schema. Good. Now let's make this still interesting, and duplicate this 6 times. Click Ctrl D 6 times. Now click on every text layer, and drag forward like me. Nice. Now click on the second text layer, and change the color on red. Now click on the third text layer, and change the color on orange. And like I change other text layers colors. Nice. Now click here, and enable this on every text layer. Now open Effects and Presets window. And find Drop Shadow Effect. Add on first text layer. Now change the softness on 50. And the opacity on 70. Now copy this effect, and paste in every text layer. Now select all layers. And pre-compose. Colorful text. Now add card wipe effect. Change transition width on 8. Rows 100. Drag slider on beginning and out keyframe. Change transition completion on 0. Now drag slider here. And change this on 100. Nice. Now add Venetian blinds effect. Drag the slider on the beginning, change transition completion to 85, and add a keyframe, drag slider here, and change this on 0. Nice, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please write in the comments. Do you like this tutorial and put like or dislike.